This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coding. There are 4 megatrends said to shape the current chemicals and materials industries: feedstock and resource transformation, sustainability, change in consumer demand, and digital transformation. Anthony Schiavo, senior author and analyst at Lux Research, quotes, "Companies that do not evolve and invest in sustainability initiatives and digital transformation will not survive the change." To achieve this, he concludes that because of the increasing demand for electric vehicles, it would alter the demand of gas and petroleum feedstocks. Another type of sustainability includes how we use plastics and chemicals, which will drive the bio-based and recycled resources. Changes in this megatrend are expected to push the production process into something that is smaller scale, more distributed, local, and flexible. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.